Hi, welcome to this new learning session. Today we'll focus on variables and conditionnal branching. Let's create a project. Give it a name and click Create Project. Okay, we have as usual a start node and end node. A new toolbox for variables has been added. It's part of the new 1.0.2 version. So now let's create a variable. Right-click in the view and click on Create Nodal Variable. A global variable has been created. You can see the graphic representation. Double-click on it. Let's change the variable's name. You have different types of variable. Let's keep string. Let's put an initial value. The variable representation has been updated. Okay, so now, what can we do? I would like to do some conditional branching. How do I do that? Not here. We simply do as usual, a drag and drop. A new node type appeared, the conditional node. Let's check what's inside. Double-click on it. You can choose a variable. We got just one at the moment. You can choose the compare operator. Let's keep equality. And here you can put the value to compare. Save it. Now here's a little trick I like. Drag and hover the node hover link. Voila, connected. Let's create and connect a new node. Let's put some text to see. Here also. And here. Let's change the initial value to. No, let's try a false. So it should go here. False condition output, so not Samuel. Okay. Here at the true output, so it's Samuel. Okay. Right there. So if variable is equal to Samuel, we go here. And if it's false here, we can rename the node for better legibility. We can rename here also. Okay. Let's preview this. Start node. As we planned, condition is false. It's not Samuel. Send to end node. I should have put another before. Anyway, conditional branching is working great. Let's change the variable value to test the true condition. It should go here. Let's try. Node start. And yes, directly to the end. As you see, really simple to make conditional branching. Okay, now good news. Variables are also available in the node part. And we have a new action for the sequencer. Right-click and then click Add Action and click User Input. Connect. Double-click User Input action. You can choose the impacted variable, just the one we created. Write the text that will be prompted to user. Save it. Okay, let's try that. Oh wait. Let me show this cool feature. Variable Toolbox is available on Text Edition. See how to use it. Just drag and drop the variable you want. A special command is inserted where you dropped. Okay, let's see this in action. Variable is correctly displayed. Pretty cool though. Oh wait, we didn't see the user input. I forgot to set the node input as sequence start. Preview again. Cool, it asks me for input. Let's type a name. Press enter. Variable has been updated. Surely it's not Samuel. Our wrong end, but's okay. Let's change the end. We were going to put the variable. We remove Samuel. Let's drag and drop the variable. It will now show the player name instead. Let's change the conditional value. Let's preview it. Perfect. Excellent. Directly to the end. Let's try again to get a false condition. Pull the correct node, but I didn't update the text. And end node. Perfect. I'm really happy. Okay, let's return to Node. We can also create here variables. Right-click. Click Create Node Variable. Like before, a variable node appears. Let's give a name. Let's set an initial value. You can see the toolbox variable is here. Like in the node view, just drag and drop a variable. A conditional node appears. Oops, I wanted a node variable. Sorry. Drag it over an existing link. Drop. Connected. Double click. Oh wait. I wanted an integer type. Oops, I shouldn't have deleted. So again, drag and drop. Let's change type. Double click on conditional node. Let's change operator. Greater than. Let's say 2. Let's create a text in case of false. Connect all needed. Let's modify the text when it's true. More than 2. Let's modify the text of the false condition. Less than 2. Okay. Let's delete this node and start with condition. Set it as sequence start. Let's review texts. Okay. Okay. We have 0 in the variable. Let's preview node. Yes, 0, so less than 2. Great. We ended up in the right connections. Okay, now let's try changing variable value. Let's say 3. Let's preview it. Cool, it detected more than 2. Really cool. Okay, now let's see something new. We have a new sequence node. Right click. Add action. Choose set variable. Let's connect it with the magic drop. Double click on it. We can choose a variable. We can set an operation. Let's do an addition. We'll add 10. Let's add a text to see the value. Magic drop. Double click to edit. Drag and drop value to see it. Let's preview this. Okay. Yeah, 10 has been correctly added to the variable. Really cool though. Okay, now. Look here, we add the story exit node. This node adds outputs connections. Let's make a condition to exit to another story node. Connect false to an exit. Let's put greater or equal to 13. Now we'll go to the story edition view. Here, a new output appeared. Let's create a node to connect this. Drag and drop. Connected. Connect to N. Let's put a text to visually control. Write your text. Good. Connect to end. OK. Let's see all this in action. Good. Addition OK. Good. And the end. OK, perfect. OK, now let's try the other path. Instead of 10, we'll put 8. Launch preview node again. We added 8 instead of 10. The false path is on. Really cool. Conditions without a line of code. Great. Now, we'll dig a little bit more with variables in the dialogues. Right-click, choose Add Action, and click on Dialogue. Let's add also a variable in this node. Double-click. Let's put city as value. Oh, oops, let's give it a name. Mage, I drop. Double click. Let's put a character to this dialogue node. Drag and drop your desired state. We have our first dialogue node. Right click. Click on Create Dialogue Variable. Dialogue variable appears. As we did before, we can edit different aspects. Let's change the name. We'll try this time a boolean. Let's leave initial value to false. OK. On the toolbox variables, you can see the different variable you access from here. Let's use in the dialogue a variable. We'll use the global variable player name, drag and drop. As previously, variable will appear on the text. We'll also add this one to cValue. And also this one. Drag and drop a variable to create a conditional node. Let's connect. We'll choose a variable to compare. Select the comparison operator. It's a boolean, we choose checkbox on or off. OK, great. Let's add more dialogue nodes to complete the conditional branching. Another one. Connect. So we check if going or not is true. This one is true. We write the text in consequence. Let's write a node for the false condition. Great. We can test this. Or just so easy. Okay, let's try with going or not to true. Variable is true, so he follows. Great. So far so good. Okay, let's add more. Oh, okay to go, but where? We created justify or the variable place to go. Let's use it. The dialog is part of the node so we can use it. Drag and drop. Magic drop. We set it to city in the node. So here we check if city is equal to variable value. New dialog that we connect. We connect the false path to story exit. Let's type text. Okay. A new output has been created on the story node. Let's check it out. Good. As you see, the story exit there. Let's create a node to connect it. Just putting some text to visually control it. Or better, to park image. This one is okay. You can put it in the sequence by right-clicking, or simply by drag and drop the layer. Connect it. Place it. Good. Connect the story exit to new node. Let's connect it to the end. Okay, let's try. Okay, he follows. Oh crap, I made a mistake. Let's see the problem. Okay, we must check the variable, or the condition. All seems okay. What did I do wrong? Oh, I see, I inverted the connections. We just delete them and recreate the links. Okay, he follows, but if there is city and place to go, we tell it we do not want, and if not city, we follow. Good. This editor doesn't replace your mind. Let's try again. Perfect. This concluded this learning session. Hope you'll appreciate all these new features. Don't forget to save. See you soon.